This is a review of the InVidia SR recording process all the way through to completion of a backup. To start the recording, simply point your cursor at the middle of the screen where it says click here to start recording. Click on that button. It will ask you to enter a case number. Enter that case number and click OK. You'll notice that the case information is populated with that case number, and as soon as the recording starts, it then limits your list, your file list, down at the bottom in terms of availability. You'll also notice that up here in the tab where it's room 1, the light has gone from dark to a bright red to indicate recording. You can record for any amount of time, a minute, 5 minutes, several hours. Upon completion of the recording, simply click the black box just below the screen and it will stop the recording. Once it stops the recording, it will ask you if you'd like to make a backup of that recording. You simply click yes, and the backups dialog box is shown. If you want to include the iPlayer, which is the InVidia SR proprietary player that has additional features outside of Windows Media Player, go ahead and click that checkbox there. Once you're ready and you have a disk in the drive, you go ahead and click backup to CD and the process will start. You notice that the drive is selected and you are given messages as relates to the operation of the disk drive, and what it will do is then start doing the backup to that DVD drive. Below the box you will see a message box that shows you your progress. Initially it just shows progress, and that will change and start showing you the percentage complete as the task is finished. You'll notice that is 9, 10, 18, 27, and up here you'll also notice a yellow bar showing your backup progress. This will follow all the way through until the complete file is copied over to the DVD, and down here you'll notice it says finalizing writing. It will finalize writing to the DVD, which tends to take anywhere from 30 seconds to 2 minutes depending on the file size. Doesn't vary that much even with a larger file. Once the recording and the backup is complete, it will eject the disk and will ask if you'd like to make another copy. Alright, the disk should be about done. It is finalizing the writing and it has completed the process. So now it is ejecting the disk and it is asking me if I'd like to make another backup copy. I click yes, and it says the drive is not ready because I have to insert a disk. So it will tell me to do that. I've just done that, and then once the disk is recognized by the system, I can then click backup to CD DVD. If I click it and the disk is not ready, you'll notice that real quickly it gave me a message that the disk was not ready and that it asked me to make sure it's ready to go. Second time I click it, the disk has been recognized by the computer and it starts the same process over again. So it should be similar in terms of total time as the first time that we did the backup. Same process is followed, and the same notes will be seen here. Both the progress and the percentage complete will be shown down here in the bottom message box, and then the progress bar is shown above with the yellow filling up that bar until it is 100% complete. You'll see that it is pretty quick at sending all the data over, and it goes into the finalizing writing mode once again, and it will wait for the disk to eject. So I'd expect this one to be another 15 to 20 seconds yet, at least, to complete the copy process. It is finalizing the writing. Once final, we will see the complete note again, and it will eject the disk and ask us once again if we'd like to make a third or an extra backup copy on CD or DVD. Okay, it is finalizing the writing, it is complete, and that total time was about 1 minute and 35 seconds to complete that backup. We will not burn another copy, so I will click No. Now you still have the option to back up to a drive if you'd like. That drive can be a flash drive, a different drive on the computer, a hard disk drive that is attached via USB, or a network drive. Upon completion of the process, go ahead and click Exit Backup, and you have completed your recording.